Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to look at 10 tips for surviving a global pandemic. You know what I'm talking about. Please leave comments below with your health and hygiene tips. So let's kick it off right about now. Number 10. Avoid handshakes. Handshaking is one of the top ways to pass germs between individuals. There's a few interesting alternatives: nodding, waving, bowing. So give the handshakes a temporary rest and try something else. Number 9. Don't rely solely on hand sanitizer. Although it may work in a pinch, hand sanitizer alone won't keep you healthy. Washing, bathing, and thoroughly cleaning the surfaces in your house all help. Number 8. Prepare your own food. When you go out to eat, it stands to reason that your health is dependent on the cook and the serving staff's hygiene. So minimize risk and prepare your own meals with great care. Number 7. Get plenty of rest. A great way to help your body ward off germs and infection is to get a full night's sleep. I use Rest More to ensure that I get 8 hours. We'll have more about that at the end of the video though. Number 6. Consider a respiratory mask when out in public. They're not foolproof for preventing germs from getting to you, but they do help you prevent spreading germs to others. I'll throw a link to Amazon's highest rated masks below. We're not affiliated with any of these masks, but if you're interested, they're not a bad idea. Number 5. Stop touching your face, eyes, and nose. I know it's difficult and most people don't realize how often they do it until you tell them to stop. But germs love mucous membranes as routes to invade your body, so do your best. Number 4. Get good nutrition. If you're trying to ward off bacteria and viruses, this isn't the time to diet or eat junk food. So get all the nutrients your body needs to fight off disease. Number 3. Avoid unnecessary trips into public. Try working out from home and not the gym, or attempt to work from home. Consider a staycation and maybe watch TV or play video games. I recommend watching more of our videos to pass the time. And to do that, you need to subscribe, click like, and hit the bell for notifications. Number 2. Use reason and good sense, but stock up on supplies you'll know you'll use. Fewer trips to the store mean less potential exposure to germs. And don't hoard supplies because that affects other people's ability to stock up. So what is the number 1 tip? Wash your hands. Do it thoroughly with soap and water. Experts say to do it for at least 20 seconds. I'm going to recommend pushing that to over 30. Get every part of that hand clean. Wash your hands before and after every meal. When you eat, there's a much higher chance of you spreading germs to and from your mouth. Washing before a meal will limit the amount of germs on your hands, which will keep you from getting sick. And after will help limit your chances of spreading germs to others. So there you go. What are your tips? Join the conversation with a comment below. Now let's hear some more about Rest More. We asked, and here's what you had to say about Rest More.
The cool thing is I wake up refreshed, don't feel groggy.
I slept really well and I have no residual sleepy, drowsy feeling.
Now I am wide awake at work because I sleep well at night. Thanks, Rest More.
That's right, Rest More. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Better, deeper sleep, all natural and healthy, more energy during the day. Let's hear more.
I've been getting the best sleep ever.
I'm finding myself sleeping all through the night, waking up fresh and rested in the mornings.
Bright and alert. It has changed my life for the better.
I keep hearing from people who've been trying the product, same thing. It just puts them to sleep.
If you haven't tried Rest More yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There you go. When you just need more rest, get Rest More. There's an Amazon link in the description below.